Hi guys, welcome to Quality Thought. Raju here. So we'll speak about data. Okay, data is there in the market. Data is giving a lot of features. Right now we are enjoying in the name of artificial intelligence. But do you know low code is required here? What is a low code technology for this data? That is called Python. It is really one of the best programming languages in the industry, as IEEE said all. What is IEEE? Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. This organization made already Python world #1 technology. Learn Python, my dear. Irrespective of your qualification, I strongly recommend you people. You are the school guy or high school guy or college or degree or PG or PhD. So you can try to please concentrate on Python. How much simple you Python, In other technology level, maybe you are writing 10 lines, but in Python, just you can write offline coding. Wow. Do you know one definition I'm giving? Maybe other than Python, if you are observing, it looks like a programming language, but Python looks like a simple English language. If you can able to read English, you can learn Python. What a sweetness, my dear. As Guido van Rossum said very clearly, Python is a glue language. It can easily mix with other technologies. When Python mixing with C, Python came. When Python mixing with Java, Jathan came. When Python mixing with .NET, Iron Python came. When Python mixing with browsers, Brighton came. When Python mixing with JavaScript, PyJS came. When Python mixing with embedded systems, MicroPython came. If you sit like that, I'll show you Python supporting more than 30 flavors in the market. That means Python ready to mix with any technology. It is ready to mix with your brain also. Learn, simple, easy, comfort, convenient and optimized. Are you waiting for great future? Please learn Python basics. Every weekend or every weekdays, I'm taking a masterclass in Quality Thought on Python futuristic. Please attend that one, get benefits. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you one and all.